Welcome everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to engage with our interactive notebooks in science class. We're going to treat these notebooks just as we would a regular textbook, as if we were in a physical school setting. If I'm on slide 1, I can see that this is like the cover page or the hardcover. And it is titled The Earth and the Solar System Bundle, Scope 1, Earth, Sun, and Moon Systems. Let's move on to page or slide 2. Here we'll find our table of contents. Now, our interactive notebook is unique in the fact that in order to get to different slides or pages, all we need to do is simply click on the link and it'll bring me directly to the activity that we are focusing on, as you can see here. Going back to slide 2, our table of contents, I see that there is a post-it note on the left-hand side. It says, notice the sun in the top left corner. It'll take you back to the table of contents page. This will be really helpful once we get further into our curriculum. Let's try it out. I'm going to go to slide 3, and I'm just going to test it out. Click on the sun, and it brings me back to the table of contents. If I want to get to another area, simply click on the link, and it'll bring me to the page or slide that I need to access. All right. Let's move on. Welcome. Our main focus today is why we have our interactive notebooks. The purpose of this notebook is to help you learn, to be prepared to learn, to be organized, to learn how to write scientifically, to prepare for future science classes, and to become an independent learner. Here's some things to know about our curriculum. Bundles are the same as units. Scopes are the same as chapters. So there are 3 scopes in this bundle or 3 chapters in this unit. You will get a new notebook for each scope/chapter. This notebook will take you many days to complete. Please only submit it when instructed. You might see instructions and notes outside the slide limits, the post-it notes, throughout this notebook. As you can see, there are post-it notes to the left and to the right. If I were to be in the present mode, like so, I will not be able to see those important notes. So I'll exit out of here, so I'm sure not to miss anything. Also keep in mind that your teacher will always be able to see your progress. So whatever you record in your notebook, Mrs. Bricks or myself will be able to see. I'm going to go back to the table of contents by clicking on the sun, and I'm going to go into our mission log. The mission log comes first because it is the project that we'll be working towards as we work through our unit or bundle. Here's an example of the question we'll be focusing on throughout our entire unit. What space objects can be seen in the universe and how do they move in relation to each other? Each activity will lead us to the answers to that question. If I want to explore further, I simply can go through the slides as if they were textbook pages to find out more. Here's some other tips and tricks about your scientific interactive notebook. In order to answer questions, you simply just need to click inside the yellow text boxes and you'll be able to type your answer. So for example, how does Earth move in relation to the sun? All you need to do is click on it and start to type. Again, your teachers will be able to see your responses even before you submit it. Remember not to submit until your teacher tells you to do so, as we will be working through this notebook and it'll take several days. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. The more you ask, the more you know. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.